Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're diving into something truly special, refreshing your entire farmhouse for early spring without spending a single dollar on new decor. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to reimagine what you already own, rearrange, repurpose, and breathe new life into every corner of your home. If you love budget-friendly design magic, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our weekly inspiration. Drop a like if you're ready to transform your space, and comment below telling me which room you're most excited to refresh this spring. Let's start where first impressions begin, your farmhouse facade. Spring is about renewal, so take those autumn wreaths down and swap them with what nature provides for free. Gather fresh branches, pussy willows, or even budding twigs from your yard and arrange them in that existing planter by your front door. Move your wooden bench from the side yard to the porch and drape it with a throw blanket you've been using indoors. Repaint your house numbers with leftover paint for a crisp update. Simple repositioning of existing elements creates a welcoming vignette that whispers spring without costing anything. Your entryway works hard, so let's make it work beautifully. Start by removing heavy winter coats and replacing them with lighter jackets in softer hues. This simple wardrobe rotation instantly lightens the mood. Take that decorative tray from your coffee table and relocate it to your console for corralling keys. Swap your dark winter doormat for a lighter one from another room. Move your mirror slightly higher to catch more natural light, creating what designers call borrowed light. Rearrange shoes in your cabinet by color, creating visual harmony. These intentional edits transform function into farmhouse charm without purchasing anything new. The living room is your spring sanctuary, and freshness starts with editing. Remove half of your throw pillows and store the dark, heavy fabrics. Flip your existing cushions to their lighter side or reverse the covers inside out if they're neutral. This technique, called seasonal pillow rotation, instantly transforms your seating. Move your heaviest throw blanket to the bedroom and bring in your lightest one from storage. Rearrange furniture to maximize natural light. Pull your sofa slightly away from walls. Open curtains wider than usual. These zero-cost moves create an airy, welcoming farmhouse aesthetic perfect for spring. Your coffee table is prime real estate for spring styling. Clear everything off and start fresh. This is called resetting your surface. Choose 3 items: a stack of books from your shelf, a small potted plant from another room, and a decorative bowl you've been underutilizing. Create what designers call a triangle composition with varying heights. Place a white candle you already own in that bowl. The key is breathing room. Negative space is a design element itself. This curated approach feels intentional and seasonally appropriate without requiring new purchases. Windows are your connection to spring's awakening outside. Remove heavy drapes and switch to lighter curtains from your guest room, or simply tie back what you have with twine or ribbon from your craft drawer. Roll up blinds higher than winter months to maximize sunlight. Clean windows inside and out. You'd be amazed how this free task transforms a room's brightness. If you have sheer panels stored away, now's the time to swap them in. These adjustments embrace what's called seasonal layering, allowing your rooms to breathe and celebrate longer daylight hours. Your dining table deserves a fresh perspective. Strip away any dark table runners and replace them with a light-colored bedsheet cut to size, or use nothing at all. Bear what is perfectly farmhouse chic. Create a centerpiece using a cutting board as a base, topped with white dishes from your kitchen cabinet filled with lemons or eggs from your fridge. Alternate your everyday dishes with white serving pieces for a layered look called dish stacking. Move your dining chairs slightly outward to create openness. Swap in lighter placemats from storage for an instant seasonal shift. Kitchens crave spring cleaning and wrestling. Start by clearing countertops completely. Remove small appliances you rarely use to cabinets. Display your white dishes openly on shelves, creating what's known as open shelving appeal. Move your coffee machine to a dedicated coffee station using a vintage tray from your dining room. Style your refrigerator's top with a simple white pitcher filled with greenery from your yard. Reorganize cabinets by color and height for visual satisfaction. These practical shifts create a fresh, organized aesthetic that makes cooking feel like celebrating spring daily. Even your stovetop area can embrace spring. Remove any dark, heavy cookware from view and display only your lightest pieces, white enamel or stainless steel. Use a vintage cutting board as a stovetop cover when not cooking, creating additional counter space and visual cleanliness. Place a small potted herb from your windowsill nearby for functional beauty. Store seasonal items like your slow cooker until fall. This concept of visual editing reduces clutter and creates breathing room. Small intentional choices around your stove transform this hardworking zone into something beautiful and seasonally appropriate. Your family room needs to balance comfort with spring's lighter energy. Rearrange seating to face windows rather than just the TV. This encourages connection with nature's reawakening. Swap out dark throw blankets for your lightest options, or fold them differently to show their reverse side. Move heavier decorative items to storage and replace them with books, white candles, or lightweight baskets from other rooms. Adjust your TV's position if possible to reduce glare from increased sunlight. These tweaks maintain coziness while embracing what designers call seasonal transitions in family spaces. Your workspace deserves spring inspiration too. Clear your desk completely and reorganize with only essentials visible. Move that small radio from your nightstand to your desk for uplifting music while working. Reposition your unique desk clock to catch morning light. Swap heavy desk accessories for lighter alternatives from around your house, a white ceramic cup for pens, a vintage plate for paper clips. Adjust your chair's position to maximize natural light without screen glare. Face your desk toward a window if possible. These intentional arrangements create what's called an energizing workspace, perfect for spring productivity. Transform your reading corner into a spring sanctuary. Move your coziest chair to the brightest window and angle it to capture maximum daylight. Replace heavy winter throws with your lightest blanket from the linen closet. Create a small side table using a stack of books topped with a wooden cutting board. Instant surface. Add a white candle and your current read. Remove dark, heavy curtains or tie them back completely. This concept called nook layering creates an intimate space that celebrates natural light. Your reading corner becomes a seasonal destination within your home. Your bedroom refresh starts with bedding. Swap heavy comforters for lighter quilts or coverlets stored from summer. Layer white sheets you already own for a fresh, hotel-inspired look called tonal layering. Remove extra throw pillows, keeping only essential sleeping pillows, plus one decorative accent. Move your heaviest blanket to the closet. Rearrange nightstand items, keeping only a lamp, book, and small plant from another room. Open curtains wider each morning to welcome spring light. These simple swaps create a serene, seasonally appropriate sleeping environment without purchasing anything new. Bathrooms benefit enormously from spring editing. Remove all products from shower surfaces and keep only daily essentials. This creates what's called spa minimalism. Display white towels exclusively, storing colored ones until fall. Move decorative items from other rooms to your vanity. A small white dish for jewelry, a vintage jar for cotton balls. Clean your mirror thoroughly and relocate it slightly higher if possible for better light reflection. Place a small plant from your kitchen windowsill on the bathroom counter. Add a light-colored bath mat from storage. These cost-free changes transform daily routines into refreshing spring rituals. Your bathroom vanity deserves thoughtful styling. Clear everything from the surface and start fresh with only beautiful necessities. Use a vintage tray from your bedroom to corral hand soap and lotion. Display your prettiest perfume bottle. Add a small bud vase with a single stem from your yard. This styling technique, called functional vignettes, combines beauty with purpose. Keep your toothbrush and daily products in a drawer or medicine cabinet. The result is a clean, spa-like surface that makes morning routines feel luxurious and seasonally fresh without spending money on organizational products. Even your garage can embrace spring organization. Start by relocating winter items to higher shelves and bringing spring gardening tools to eye level. Use existing boxes and bins to create zones, one for tools, one for sports equipment, one for seasonal decor. Sweep thoroughly and consider painting the floor with leftover paint for a fresh look. Hang items on walls using existing hooks to clear floor space. This approach, called vertical storage, maximizes functionality. Display frequently used items at arm's level. A well-organized garage extends your farmhouse aesthetic into practical spaces. Your farmhouse patio is ready for spring entertaining. Sweep away winter debris and move furniture from storage positions back to conversational arrangements. Clean outdoor cushions or flip them to their cleaner side. Create a centerpiece for your outdoor table using a galvanized bucket from your garage filled with branches. Move indoor plants outside temporarily for fresh air and to fill empty corners. String existing outdoor lights if you have them. Arrange seating to encourage conversation, what designers call social anchoring. These preparations transform your patio into an extension of indoor living without purchasing new furniture. Style your outdoor dining area with indoor pieces transitioning outside. Use your everyday white dishes for outdoor meals. Farmhouse style embraces this crossover. Create placemats using burlap or fabric scraps from your craft supplies. Fill mason jars with wildflowers from your property as individual place settings. Use a vintage wooden crate as a drink station, filled with glassware from your kitchen. Layer in existing outdoor lanterns with candles you already own. This technique, called indoor-outdoor flow, blurs the lines between spaces, creating cohesive farmhouse charm perfect for spring gatherings without buying specialized outdoor decor. Now that each room is refreshed, create cohesion throughout your farmhouse. Use repetition of white elements in every space: white candles, white dishes, white linens, creating what's called visual rhythm. Move greenery and natural elements from room to room weekly for ever-changing vignettes. Keep surfaces edited and clutter-free. Open all curtains during daylight hours. These finishing touches unify your entire home's spring refresh. The secret to successful seasonal decorating isn't buying more. It's thoughtfully editing and reimagining what you already own with fresh eyes and intentional placement. There you have it, friends. A complete farmhouse spring refresh using absolutely nothing new. You've transformed your exterior entryway, living spaces, kitchen, family room, workspace, bedroom, bathroom, garage, and patio simply by rearranging, editing, and seeing your belongings with fresh perspective. This is what I call mindful decorating, making intentional choices that honor both your budget and your style. Remember, the most beautiful homes aren't filled with the most things. They're filled with the right things, thoughtfully placed. If this video inspired you, please hit that like button, subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration, and comment below sharing which room you're refreshing first. Until next time, keep creating spaces you absolutely love.